We're going to talk about how to use Screenflow in Room 55. Unfortunately, there's a little bit of a problem using the Mo2 interface for the output. So I'm going to show you how to do it using the built-in outputs instead. So what you want to do is launch Screenflow. I just did Command Spacebar. Type in Screenflow. You want to have 3.30 here in 55 because that's the one that's authorized for this room. Click OK. If you don't see this screen, you just press Command N. It'll come up. So now you want to record the audio from the Mo2, but you also want to record the computer audio. And before you do that, though, you want to go over to System Preferences and then choose Sound option over here. And then on this, you actually want you leave the input alone. You leave the input on Mo2, but you move the output to the built-in or the headphones. So when you do that, it'll record what you feed to that source from Digital Performer. So the other step is in Digital Performer, you have to make a change so that you can have the output of Digital Performer going into the built-in outputs rather than the Mo2. You can actually set it up so you can do both. So if you did want to record on Digital Performer using the microphone, you could do that as well. So let's do that. Let me show you how to do both. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go up here to Setup, choose Configure Audio System, Hardware Driver. And now you see the Mo2 is what's normally selected, and our outputs normally are, of course, the AES-EBU outputs. But let's add to those, which we can do by holding down the Command key, the built-in output right here, built-in output, not line output and not any other ones, just the built-in output. All right, and then choose OK. All right, so now you're ready to open a project in Digital Performer and launch your Screenflow. Okay, now we're in Digital Performer. And the thing to remember that you want to have the outputs here set to built-in outputs. That way it'll get the audio to Screenflow. So contact built-in output in this case. If I wanted to let the audio track go out the output, I would choose built-in for the audio. And let's hear what it sounds like. Looks like it works, so that's how you do it. Thanks for watching.